Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Spirit Airlines. Now Spirit Airlines announced recently that they are in financial problems and they don't know and they might have to close within a year. Now this is important because Spirit is a major carrier to Jamaica. They carry passengers to Jamaica. Now, the largest tourism market in Jamaica is in the United States, and that is where Spirit Airlines is based. They do a lot of domestic travel within the US, that's their core business, but they also do international travel from the US to Jamaica. So now that they're facing serious financial problems and might be on the verge of closing within a year, it's going to affect air travel to Jamaica and so it's going to affect tourism in Jamaica. That is why we've always said Jamaica needs to bring back Air Jamaica as a national carrier of Jamaica. Even if Air Jamaica services just the Jamaica to the US routes. Because that, as we said earlier, the US is the largest market for tourism in Jamaica. More tourists come from the US to Jamaica than any other country. So guys, let us know what you think about bringing back Air Jamaica and also what you think about the impact Spirit Airlines closing down will have on Jamaica. Now, even if you say, okay, another airline will pick up the routes, it takes time for the airlines to get the gates and it takes time for them to pick up the routes. For instance, American Airlines recently announced they were going to be increasing their routes to the Ian Fleming International Airport in December, and they announced it from now. They're going to start in December. So I think it's 2 flights a day going to be going to that airport. It takes time to set it up, and in that interim, Jamaica is going to suffer or is going to have less tourist arrivals. So guys, let us know what you think. We are going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening with Spirit Airlines. Spirit has warned there is substantial doubt it can survive the next 12 months due to mounting financial losses, weak demand in its core leisure travel market, and intense competition. The carrier lost US $245 million in Q2 of 2025 and faces liquidity pressures, including possible breaches of loan covenants and demands for more collateral from its credit card processor. While Spirit is trying to raise cash by selling assets, cutting routes, and introducing new products, these moves may offer only short-term relief. Without a major cash infusion, a merger or bankruptcy restructuring, the airline risks shutting down entirely within a year. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.